Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with additional resources, can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Internxt. Welcome to my Internxt cloud storage review. Internxt is a privacy-centric cloud storage service that prioritizes security and decentralization above all else. It's an ideal solution for individuals and businesses concerned about data privacy, offering features designed to keep your information shielded from prying eyes, even Internxt itself. Employing end-to-end encryption, Internxt ensures only you hold the key to your data. Not even their servers can decrypt your files, making it a compelling option for those prioritizing confidentiality. Furthermore, Internxt leverages decentralized storage, distributing your data across numerous nodes. This enhances security and minimizes the vulnerabilities often associated with centralized server systems. The platform boasts a clean, intuitive interface that simplifies file uploads and organization. Its robust syncing capabilities extend across multiple devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. Web access further enhances flexibility, allowing you to manage your files from anywhere with an internet connection. Secure file sharing is also a breeze with encrypted links, guaranteeing your shared files remain private. Internxt offers a generous free plan with 10 GB of storage, perfect for light users or those wanting to test the service before committing. Paid plans begin at 20 GB and scale upward, offering competitive pricing that balances storage capacity and robust security. While Internxt's interface and feature set might not be as extensive as some larger cloud providers, it distinguishes itself by providing unparalleled privacy and control over your data. If you're a privacy-conscious individual, a small business owner, or simply someone seeking a secure and decentralized cloud storage solution, Internxt is definitely worth considering. If security is your paramount concern, Internxt might be the perfect fit. Check out the links in the description to explore Internxt and discover everything it has to offer.